Right now I have Nissan Juke. It has a problem with check engine on the dashboard. Although right now the engine is running, so I'm going to scan this vehicle using my dark zone machine. Under engine control module, let us read the code. Here we have three fault code: P0014, P0075 and P0078. P0014 is exhaust VVTi sensor, and P005 is inlet VVTi sensor, and P0078 is caused by the inlet and our exhaust VVTi sensors. So the main fault here is inlet VVTi sensor B and exhaust VVTi sensor B1. So we are going to change those sensors. Let's go and confirm. This is the engine. We have the first sensor here, we have the second sensor here. Let me explain it further. So here we have inlet VVTi, then we have exhaust VVTi behind the engine, that one. So we are going to change that the exhaust VVTi. This is the exhaust VVTi sensor. See, this is how it look like. Then this is the inlet VVTi sensor. Let me open it. See, this is the inlet VVTi sensor. So I'm going to change the inlet VVTi sensor with a new sensor. At the same time, I'm going to change the exhaust VVTi sensor behind the engine according to the fault code. Symptoms of VVTi sensor: number 1, loss of power; number 2, check engine on the dashboard; number 3, rough idling and engine stalling. Those are 4 symptoms of VVTi sensor. So after replacing the new VVTi sensor, right now I'm going back so that I clear fault code from the system. So those were the fault code. I'm going to clear. Are you sure you want to clear the fault code? Okay, the fault code has completed. Let me read again. There's no fault code on the system. Let me start the vehicle. Right now everything is working perfect. The engine is running smooth. So there's not any check engine light on the dashboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.